Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Tong Yang. I'm an assistant professor in Automobile University. Yesterday, I bring my student with me. We built up a small team. We don't have a company or a large group of students to support us, but we try our best to do something. So we stayed here until we were the last group left this building. Thanks for the kind of ride from Casey. So anyway, so we would like to make it very simple. We would like to do something on this traffic incident.
Just stay closer to the mic.
Yeah, thank you.
Sorry. Yeah, there you go.
So we would like to discuss about this incident visualization and prediction issue. And so since everybody has explored the data sets, right? We have lots of data. And how many of you have looked at the incident data? How many incidents do we have? Do you have any idea? Perhaps not, because yeah. So it's a lot. Anyway, we spent many hours last night. We found out this answer. Since the smart road data pod has a few months of data, not a full records for each month. So we pull out everything together and lots of manual work. We figure out some of this vehicle, you see, 12,000, 8,000 crashes, and also lots of other incidents, fires, and so on. So these things make us think about this issue. And of course, to think about this issue, we need to look at the data and how this data can help us to understand the problem. Of course, we care about this because we are the victims, or we probably will be the owner of our disabled vehicles on road. And also lots of congestions, and also for our rescue groups, we may make their life in danger if we have lots of incidents on the road. So our mission is try to learn from the history and also prepare for the future. We look at the data and try to find out more information from the data. So since the time is very limited, we just build a simple kind of tool at this moment. We look at all the data and see how these things will change. And each one is about the duration of that incident. So you will look at the incident every day or every minute, every hour. So that's something you might be able to explore. I will show you a quick demo for that. This is like something we built, for example. This is like a daily visualization for this type of events. It's crash, I guess. So we would like to make this for transportation operators so that they know where is a major incident and also how long each incident will be there. And that's one kind of work we would like to help. And then we would like to look at this future work. I mean, how the incident going to impact. So we will look at this. And to do this, we need some kind of prediction stuff. And many people have discussed about this machine learning or a lot of learning skills. So here we're talking about this deep learning stuff. And one of the judges was asking for the algorithm. So here, simply we're thinking about, for example, this convolutional neural network plus this LSTM non-short memory to build the network. And the most important thing is VDOT has provided the sensor data. Every minute, we also explore that. On that side, I show a small box which just lists a few of the samples. It's very kind of time-consuming work. Because it's like every minute we have to click that. Of course, we wrote the program, but that one doesn't allow you to pull everything at the same time. So we try to link the real-time sensor data with the real-time incident data to predict the future incident impact. So that's one of the things. And of course, we don't forget about the public. We build that for the operators, but we also think about the public. We would like to help improve this kind of information system. If you look at the 511, you see there's a incident, but you don't know how long will it last. And also, this type of incident lists who was reading this type of incident list. Okay, so we would like to help improve this type of information and to tell the public how long you probably will bear the incidents, and also help them make more kind of informed decisions. That's our idea. Thanks.
Given the data that you used and your goal of predicting how long an incident will last, what data is missing right now? What are the things? What another way of asking is, what are the things that you help give the most accurate prediction of the length?
So let's say in literature, most people use the historical records. Few of them look at the real-time traffic. That's why we want to bring that in our model. Because we have that right now from our smart road data point. And it needs a real-time one every minute because you want to update the traffic. So thinking about the crash predictions, if you look at the big zones, you can look at the 5 years data. But think about the daily traffic. Every day is different. You have to think about the uniqueness of each incident. And then look at the traffic, upstream, downstream, how the sensor measure the traffic, and bring it to your model. And then that will be more reliable, I believe, because we have this 1 minute. That's the excellent stuff.
Did you look at all at the stratification of crashes, the different types of crashes that were occurring under different conditions? Did you go there at all?
Yes, we actually explore some of them, but we don't have the time to make the detailed analysis at this moment. For example, those graphs we built, we show like different types of incidents. So every day, for example, we will show these things, and also we will make our predicted ones here for comparison, and to see if we are predicting it right.
Oh.
So that will be something we can. Any other questions? This is like just like overnight work.
Yeah.
All right.
Just
That's awesome.
very interesting.
Thank you.